Hello friends, welcome back to Calls and Puts with another video in the series of weekly P&L. So today's date is 24th of May and today is Saturday. So let's check how much profit or loss we have made in last 5 days. That is from 19th till yesterday, that is 19th till 23rd of May. So I have already logged in on my Dhan platform. So let's start. Yes, friends. So let's go to money so that we can check out Trader's Diary. So the page open is Trader's Diary. If you go to Fund and Margin, that we'll discuss later. So this is Trader's Diary. So as I have mentioned earlier videos, March was profitable month, April was losing month, May still now we are in profit. So this is the last trade summary. It is showing overall PNL of minus 15,000 rupees. So this was the weekly expiry trade. So hope you have seen that video. Now let's start with the PNL. So if you see in last 5 days, that is from 19 till 23rd. So 23rd there is no trade. So yesterday I don't took any trade, and the bigger loss we have made on Thursday. And so we started our week with small loss of 2,500 rupees. After that, on Tuesday on Sensex expiry, we have made good profit of around 20,000. Then again 21st May, we missed the upside movement in Nifty. Then I took small trade in put side, so we have made another 10%, 10 to 12%. That is 6,000 rupees on Thursday. And May 22nd, that is Thursday, I did a big mistake. So you can check out that detailed video. So I have recorded all the things, and I have shared the mistake what I have made. Suppose so if we calculate simply, so total profit is around 26,000 and loss is around 17,000, so around 9 to 10,000 rupees profit we have made. So at least good that we are closing this third week of May also in green. Go back and check all week 1 and week 2 videos, it will be helpful. So in week 1 we have made around 22,000. In week 2, if we leave apart this 1 lakh rupees, again we have made around 20,000 plus profit. And if we add this 1 lakh rupees, we have made around 1 lakh 20,000 profit in second week. And third week again we have made around 9 to 10,000 rupees profit. So it's good that we have closed this week also in the green. And if we remove this 1 lakh trade, then we have made around 50 to 60,000 rupees profit in cumulatively in these 3 weeks, on average capital of 50,000 rupees. So if you watch my live trade videos, I always mention how much capital used in that trade and percentage profit made on that capital every day. Now let's go to monthly view. So I have already opened new page. So this is 1st May to 24th May. So if you want to check this week, so starting from Monday, so let's put Sunday at the 18 starting date. So as I mentioned, we have made around 9,500 rupees overall PNL, and net PNL is around 8,793, or you can say 9,000 rupees or 8,800 rupees. So let's go back to starting from 1st of May. So from 1st of May, overall PNL is around 1,53,500 rupees, and net PNL is 1,51,267 rupees. And charges and brokerage, if we calculate, so there are not much charges. So this shows that I'm not over trading. So this 2,200 rupees brokerage and charges shows that with less trading activity or with less number of trades also we can make good profit, with making some big profits in some of the trades and controlling the losses. It's apart from that, I did mistake on Thursday, so that was a big mistake, that we couldn't control our loss in the first trade. So how this big loss impact, that we can definitely check on trading journal. So it will show how the parameters change on the trading journals. Okay, so this is the trading journal. So you can see overall PNL of 153,499. These are the all the trade details with big profit or big losses also. So let's move to important table where we analyze all these trades which we record. So let me zoom in. So you can see number of trades we took in this month, 12 numbers of trade. Average winner is 21,700, average loser is around 14,000 rupees, max winner is 1 lakh rupees, and max loser is 35,000. So this is the biggest mistake, and why this is the biggest mistake I will explain you. So if you have seen last week's PNL video, our R multiple, that is risk reward ratio, was around 7. R multiple was 7, that is risk is 1 and reward is 7, including this 1 lakh rupees profit. and average, because that time our max losing trade was around 4,500 rupees, and this week our max loser is 35,000 rupees. Amount of this average loser is substantially increased from 4,000 to 14,000. So that's the reason this R multiple got substantially reduced from 7 to 1.5, 1.56. So till last week our R multiple was 7. That means 1 as to 7. That kind of risk reward, considering this 1 lakh profit we have maintained last week. And if we would have removed this 1 lakh profit till last week, our risk reward was coming around 1 as to 3 or 1 as to 4. I don't exactly remember, so that I also have explained. So now if I remove this 1 lakh rupees profit maximum winner from our trading journal, let's delete this. Now you can see how this impact our overall parameters. So now this reward R multiple is coming to 0.85 because of this big loser of 35,000, and max winning streak is showing, max winner is showing 20,000 rupees. So now we are not close to 1 as to 1 risk reward. So that's the reason we need to avoid such mistake, and we need to control the losses so that our average winner should be greater than average loser. Now in this case you can see our average winner is around 12,000 and average loser is 14,000. That's the reason this reward fall below 1 as to 1. So this is a big mistake which I made, so I will always remember that. Now let's go back, let's add here again that 1 lakh rupees profit. Okay, so again if you see till last week our win rate was around 85 or 86%, and that time I also mentioned that this is not the realistic, and as we move forward in this month, as we see some of the losses or losing trades, this will obviously fall down. So currently it is showing 75% win rate. So if you see win rate is not that much important, we need to focus on this risk reward. So with 50% win rate and risk reward of 1 as to 2 and 1 as to 3, we can make our month profitable, month or year profitable. We need to think long term obviously, so that's the reason win rate is not that much important. Again we move forward in this series, in this account, in coming months you will understand, because that time we will have bigger sample size. Currently we have 12 number of trades. After 2-3 months we will have 50-60 number of trades. Okay friends, so hope you understand this trading journal and importance of recording the trades and analyzing the trades. Hope you find this video useful. See you next week. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.